Hello, my name is Shayna and I'm a librarian with LA County Library. You are invited to join our 2021 Spring and Summer Discovery Program running until August 8th. Stick around until the end of this video for directions on how to sign up and how to pick up a free Summer Discovery Take-Home Activity Kit that goes along with this video. Now, let me show you how to use our Tracing Fun Kit for ages 0 to 5. Spending quality one-on-one time together with your little one is crucial for healthy early child development. By setting time aside to play with your child, you can create a comfortable environment and strengthen your bond. This activity sets up structured and repeated play, plus you get a treasured memento of your child's growth. For this activity, you need paper or a blank notebook with something to draw, like crayons. Trace hand. Get a blank notebook or separate pieces of paper which you can staple together into a book. Once a week, trace your child's hand on a page. Write the date and have your child sign the page. Each week, use the next page in the book to add a new hand outline. After the notebook is full, look back at the book together and see how much your child has grown. Personalize it. Write your child's name on the cover. Decorate the cover. Ask about the picture your child drew. Show your child what a signature on a painting looks like, and then let them try to make their own signature. A baby or a toddler will not be able to make letters, but they can still mimic the intent. Try filling the outline in with color, patterns, or even turning it into a picture. Hand outlines make great starters for drawing turkeys or lions. Want some books that go well with this kit? Check out our catalog at lacountylibrary.org for digital and physical books like these. Kits like this one can be picked up at your local LA County Library location while supplies last. Visit our website to find a library near you. You can pick up paper versions of Spring Summer Discovery Program or check out our website to sign up digitally. Click the link in the description box for upcoming programs, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for easy access to new videos. Bye for now.